Today, all new. Dr. Oz says the future of extreme life extension is here. Burn up to 700 calories without exercise.
This is a device that has become very popular. In fact, my in-law introduced me to this.
Okay.
Right? And it's a infrared sauna.
Okay.
So I'm going to take you inside.
Sure. With all our clothes on, right? Yeah.
Just once.
Yeah.
All right, so there we are. Now, here's the key.
Yeah.
This infrared sauna works a little differently than a normal sauna.
Okay.
Because it makes the same rays that come from the sun and filters out the UV radiation. So it only gives you the infrared radiation.
Okay.
And that radiation that's infrared goes a little bit into your skin. So without heating you up in the external environment too much, it heats the body up. Okay. And the reason that's important is we've actually shown that people who take saunas a couple times a week actually drop their blood pressure.
Oh, really?
Yeah. You feeling hot?
Yes, it's getting warm in here.
So it's quick.
Are we supposed to stay in here a long time?
Yes, just throw makeup runs.
Okay.
The reason that infrared saunas work reasonably well
Yeah.
is because they don't hurt your lungs to take a deep breath in. People can be comfortable here.
Yeah, it's getting hot in here.
You want to get out?
Yeah, I would.
Okay.
It's getting hot in here.
We're
It's
Lisa.
getting hot in here. Okay. It also increases blood circulation, I heard, too.
It
Good.
increases, now get some air in here. It increases blood circulation. The reason that's important is that it gets your heart to beat faster and it burns calories.
Oh.
And that's one of the reasons.
Close the door. Come on.
A little bit more.
Oh, so this is what you mean. You can burn 700 calories just by
Just by sitting in here. So folks who can't exercise, for example,
yeah.
you know, they can at least do saunas to raise their metabolism a little bit. And they also, of course, when they sweat, you sweat out toxins through the skin. So one thing you always want to do after you've been in an infrared sauna is to wash yourself, bathe yourself to get it, and whatever toxins are on your skin. You want the calories up.
Let's get out.
Okay, go.
Okay, great. That was so much fun. Woo!